Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales here at my bar. And today we're going to make this. That is an aperitif margarita. It's a strange combination to say the least. You're probably familiar with Aperol. Aperol is an aperitif. I'm using a different aperitif called Aperix. It's they're similar. I mean, neither one of them hardly have any alcohol in it. This one's 22 proof, but this is just a little more mild flavor than Aperol, but they're made of the same things. All right, so this is pretty simple. I'm gonna need a nice pretty glass. We're gonna use this coupe glass because we're gonna serve it up like a martini. And in a shaker of ice, we're gonna start with 1 ounce of our Aperol or aperitif, whichever aperitif you like to use. 1 ounce. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. One and a half ounces of a Blanco tequila. In this case, I'm using Cimarron, which is a great tequila for mixing. 1.5 ounces of that, and it's Blanco. Then we're going to use about a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Just sugar and water. And last but not least, we're going to use some lime juice, about 1 ounce of that. Give this a good shake. Make sure it gets nice and chilled on the shaker. And then we're just going to strain it into a coupe. It's almost like I knew what I was doing. It's a very uncommon spin on a margarita, but that aperitif gives it just a little different essence. And honestly, I like it. Yeah, you get that bitterness of the aperitif of the orange. It makes for a very different drink. Give this a try. If there's a drink you'd like me to make, something you'd like me to cook, you just have a question or a comment, suggestion for a video, Bill at KansasFlamingoChef.com. Visit the website, KansasFlamingoChef.com. I'll see you on the next one. Eat and drink.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.